Hey, what is going on YouTube? Today we're going to go on how to install node.js on your Windows machine, your Linux machine, or MacBook. We're going to jump right into it because I want to keep this video short because it is quick and simple to install it. So we're going to travel over to node.js.org. You'll be presented with two download buttons here. I'm on Windows, so it doesn't matter which one you go for. I have it installed already, so by doing this, it's not going to do anything. Once you click on these buttons, you'll be presented with a dialog box to ask for permissions and install it. And you'll also be given npm during the install. And npm is pretty good because it is a package installer, which allows you to simply install packages with the simple command of npm install, and then you give it the package. So for example, like this, npm install express, you'll be given express, which allows you to pop up a server inside of Node. So with that said, let's jump right into our code here. And I have a simple index.js file. Just console log hello world. We can go up here if you don't have it. The new terminal, it pops down a PowerShell terminal inside Visual Studio's code. And then we can check our installs by running node-v. It gives you the version. And you can also go npm-v as well. Now you see that you have both node and npm installed. And we can jump over to our command line here. And being inside of our directory of the project, you shall see index.js. We can simply run node index.js and outputs hello world. And that is all that's to it. That is getting up a node project. Hope you guys found this useful, quick and simple. And thanks for watching. See ya.